What's happening YouTube and welcome back. Today I'm gonna unbox this one. This one is the No Face. This is the vintage jacket that it is pre-owned, so it might have some stains. So let's go ahead and check this one out. And this one is size small. Oh my god. Salad packet pretty. Squeeze in there. This one I got one on the eBay. It was like doing the last 5 minutes. I won this $57 plus $6 something to ship. So total is about 62 or 63 bucks. Wow. So you can see the No Face embroidery on there. Let me see. So that is the back. This is a pretty nice thick jacket. And then this is the front. As you can see, there's the No Face on the left at the chest area embroidery. And then you have this Velcro for your hood. This one came out, so probably need to tie the bag. It's supposed to be tied up like that. I'll do that later. And this is a Velcro right here for your wrist on both sides. And there's a zipper right here on your by the left arms, upper arms. That is the size right here. You can put your smartphone or your ski stuff, I guess. And you got your left and right pockets. It's a button with the Velcro. And also with the zipper. Oh, there's a keyhole or something in case you don't drop it. And then this is the right side pocket with the Velcro. Oh, Then I'm not sure. There's another loop right here. And you can snap on or snap off. So it is a pretty unique jacket. Let's go ahead and unzip it. It's a Velcro on the top, and then let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 buttons. You got this black tab. It says the no face. Only on the front. And this one is a size small. So you see, you got the no face patch on for the back of the label. You got your hook loop. So there are the two stain right there, one side on the other side. And this is 100% nylon. So I'm not sure what is the bottom this part for. It's come with the buttons. So you can flap it up or leave it down. And you got a Velcro inside here. I gotta do some research on that. If any of the viewers out there know what's this flap for, please drop any other comments on below. All right. So I just found out that on the bottom of this flap, this is in case you go up the mountain for ski or somewhere up in the mountain it is cold. So you just put the Velcro like this, and then there's a button. You snap it on, okay? So this one would not allow the air to go into your inside of your jacket, okay? So prevent the cold air to come in through to your body, all right? So how you wrap around. So that's what it's for. And there's a label right here. It says Thermore Original. You got this inner pocket right here with the pretty big size and pretty deep with the zipper. And the zipper it says YKK. I wonder. Oh, so I think the hood. You could fold it and put it in there. Yeah. Okay. That's cool. So the hood, you can fold it up, and there's a pouch right here. You can put it, stuff it in there if you don't want the hood. And then there's a Velcro for you to close it up. So it will be look like this if you don't want the hoodie or the hood to come out. So what do you think, guys? I'm pretty sure I'm very satisfied with this pick. Oh, I won the auction at the last minute, or last 5 minutes. I'm not even sure what year was this made. Anyway, thank you for watching, and then please subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't do so yet, and turn on that bell for notification. Please also share this with your friend, family on social media, and drop any other comments on below. All right. Anyway, thank you for watching. We'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.